Sean, I've shown you the emergency landings that just don't make any sense. Here's a flight from Chicago to Doha, and it landed in Moscow, right? So something happened here. They went 1,500 miles or so out of their way, right? That would take 3 hours to land, right? But if you look at it, it's right on the flight path. Well, there was one that just happened the other day, a brand new emergency landing, and it was from New York to Auckland, New Zealand, which is right here. Right now, that doesn't look like that much. It landed in Tahiti or Fiji. It landed in Fiji. So that doesn't look like it's really that far off. But right here, the plane is probably equidistant from both. Right, and this is where the problem happened. Why did it go to Fiji and not here? If we look at this on a flat Earth map, right, New York, straight long, Fiji is exactly on the line to Auckland, New Zealand. Exactly. How many times does that have to happen, right? Where, it's landing in places that make no sense and it gets there in an impossible amount of time, right? These are, the route I showed you here. These are the Great Circle routes, which is just a term for the shortest distance on a globe. And these are the Great Circle routes, and they make no sense, the fact that it landed over here. This just happened the other day, adding it to the book 16 Emergency Landings That Prove Flat Earth. It's free online, or you could get it at lulu.com. And it's a great book because watch that, look at the research that's all been done for you. You might have time to do that in between, your sports and work. And then you'll know that something's wrong with the globe. And Sean, it matters so much. Right? If you're lost in space, spinning out of control, you don't have a good foundation. When you have a good foundation, here's a statistic. Jaron, you came, was it you that said it the other day? That all flat earthers are non-vaxxers.